am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is my Cate and Chloe box. If you haven't seen my other Cate and Chloe unboxings, it is a jewelry subscription box and it's like $20 a month. I think that I might even have some discount codes, so make sure that you check the description box. And this is just a fantastic subscription, but you can also just buy jewelry off of their site. So definitely make sure you check it out. Let's see what I got this month. I am super excited. So this is actually the March box, which you should still be able to get, depending on when you watch this video, right? But they do send it to me early so that I can do like a sneak peek preview for you guys. Ooh, I got some socks. Your gift from us to you. Your featured gift this month is Feisty Feet socks. They put a bit o' Irish in your step, having you up to your knees in Irish spirit. Perfect! These are so cute for St. Patrick's Day. Oh my gosh, and I do not have any St. Patrick's Day socks. And these are just freaking adorable. And they're like knee highs. I love these! How cute! Okay, and now for the boxes. I love these boxes. I have to figure out like how to repurpose these. Ooh, oh, it is 2 sets of earrings. Look how gorgeous those are. Those top ones are almost like a rainbowy thing. I don't know what that is. And then those gorgeous emerald drop earrings. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, I'm gonna open the second box first just to see what's in here, and then I will try some. Oh yes. Look at that, you guys. How pretty is that? And it matches the earrings. Oh my gosh, I super love it. Okay, let me try this on. Okay, look at this. You guys, I super duper love this. This is so pretty. I'm all set for St. Patrick's Day. Yay! And look, I put one of the little ones up here in this hole. It actually kind of looks cute there. What fun stuff. It's so beautiful and it's such great quality. And I always love everything I get in these boxes. It's so much fun. So I would highly recommend Cate and Chloe. Also check out Mint Mongoose, which is a little less expensive, a little more funky. Also super fun. I love getting both of these boxes because they're totally different, and I always love them. They're just so much fun. Don't forget to check out the description box for links and possible discounts and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!